Welcome back to the Velocity of Money. He's spoken internationally on mortgage finance, and he's here right now to speak with you. Here's Michael J. Barnes.
Welcome back to the Velocity of Money. This is Michael J. Barnes, the president of Velocity Financial. Hey, important to point out here, folks, that Velocity Financial is a full-service mortgage broker. We do everything, not just loan modifications. The majority of our business is writing and originating and underwriting mortgage loans for homeowners, people to buy real estate, people to refinance their homes. People can still refinance out there. Loan modifications are not for everybody. In fact, they're for a pretty small segment of the market. So if you're in need of any type of mortgage financing, you definitely should give Velocity Financial a call at 480-835-6248. I am the founder of the Modification Hotline. That's modificationhotline.com, and we put that in place to help people. Right now, people don't need a salesman when it comes to these loan modifications. I heard a story today from a homeowner that I just couldn't believe. This person that's trying to do a loan modification told them that she had to pay them $1,500 a month for 4 months, and by the time she was done paying, they'd guarantee her some just ridiculous. I just don't understand why it's like that. Right now, we need to help you get through this situation. We're here for you. We're going to do everything in our power with our national network of attorneys who are expert negotiators. So it's important that you call us if you need help, 480-VELOCITY, that's 480-835-6248, or 888-MOD-INFO. And Brett Fallon, when coming back from the break, you heard the announcers say that he has spoken internationally on mortgage finance. I actually had the privilege of being with Brett Fallon, traveling across the globe, speaking on finance, and that's one of the reasons why we have Brett Fallon come back so often, is because he's one of the smartest people that I've met in the finance area. He's my personal financial advisor, and once again, Mr. Fallon, thank you so much for being here with us.
I appreciate those kind words, and I just want to make the distinction so it's clear for everybody. Velocity Financial being a full-service mortgage firm and all things mortgage related. The concept of today's show being the loan modification program is a division of something that you've kind of created and had some foresight about all of these issues that are affecting not only mortgage holders but the economy at large. Thus, this topic and way to help these people.
That's correct. When we started, well, let's back up. A year and a half ago, I was approached by someone that I respect very much in the industry, asked to get involved in the loss mitigation with this other person. I essentially declined the offer. Once I realized that as many people were calling us that needed loan modifications as needed refinances or to purchase homes, we did do some research. We found the Debt Advisory Alliance with a gentleman that I've known for many years, Ron Quintero, and he's already put together the national network of attorneys. So we're working with these people that have done thousands of these. We're the affiliate. We're doing the due diligence and some of the discovery work. They're taking care of the expert negotiations. That's not my job. That's not what we're good at. What we're good at is putting together a case that will get modified for the best opportunity. I'm sorry, the best. All areas of it. The best for you and your family and your kids and your dog and your cat and everything else to keep you and all of you in place. So I have something here in my hand that is from the Office of the Attorney General, Terry Goddard. This is in regard to B of A and Countrywide. It's just something that I want to point out here. The states alleged that prior to 2008, Countrywide used unfair and deceptive tactics in its loan origination and servicing activities and placed borrowers in structurally unfair and unaffordable loans. This is not my words, folks. This is from the Office of Terry Goddard, the Attorney General. They're talking about lowering people's rates for the first year only. Look, a good loan modification, you don't need a 12-month reprieve. Okay, it's going to take you longer than 12 months. If you're 2 or 3 or 4 months behind on your mortgage, it's going to take a little bit more than 12 months for you to get all the way back on your feet. Here's one other, go ahead.
No, I was going to say what an important point that you're making is, because the announcement today by Paulson regarding the money not being used to buy these bad mortgages any longer. Because of Barney Frank's comments about banks need to do more to help avoid foreclosures for mortgagees, what that really is amounting to, at least in my opinion, as somebody that studies the financial marketplace every single day of my life as a profession, that really amounts to banks being able to set terms, and the short-term reprieves that you're describing right now, the importance of what you're doing right now is critical for people to understand. You're ahead of the curve. You go to the bank for these modification purposes. You take the proactive steps to make terms suitable for you. My point is, if the bank, by Terry Goddard's letter, already has asserted that they've made some type of poor judgment in the way that they treated their mortgagees or the people they gave loans to, why would you then go back to that bank as the owner of that mortgage and try to negotiate with them on your own? Why then would you have the trust in them that it's going to work to your best possible outcome? I find that to be absurd, frankly.
Because you're absolutely right. Why? Okay, well, so they've essentially admitted to it. We got a $150 million settlement. $150 million settlement. Hey, I just want to throw one more thing out there. They have a $150 million bill that they have to pay because of deceptive, according to this Terry Goddard's office, deceptive business practices. $150 million check that they have to write. Somebody's going to have to make that up.
And that's an accurate point. The point of this would be, take this action yourself prior to these banking and lending institutions making decisions on your behalf. They've already done this. They've made those decisions on your behalf, whether or not you knew exactly what type of loan program you were getting involved with when you took out the loan or all of that. If you find yourself in a situation of not being able to maintain your existing mortgage payment under the terms that were issued by the bank, a modification is something that you should consider.
You absolutely should
You
consider
make the terms going forward. You use the professional expertise of Velocity Financial and the negotiating abilities of these attorneys that specialize in this area, and make this work for you before the rules are placed at your feet yet again.
Well, and then, you know, we talk about people doing this on their own. You know, what I see being the problem is they're going to send you out a packet of paperwork. Maybe they're going to email it to you, mail it to you, fax it. I don't know. I've seen the paperwork that they send out. It's more than 36 pages of legalese. Once it goes back, it's going to go back and sit in front of the loss mitigation department. It's going to go in a stack. I've seen the stacks, literally, Brett, literally thousands of cases sitting there waiting to be reviewed by someone who very well may not be qualified to make a real decision. Essentially, with this, in my opinion, using the loan modification, the loss mitigation department at the bank, you very well could be dealing with a clerk that was answering, I don't know, sales calls for someone else, 2 months ago. I don't even know. I know that
Versus going to the legal department and dealing with those individuals directly.
There's no doubt you absolutely have to use a professional. You need to put your head on a pillow, turn this over to somebody that knows what they're doing, an expert negotiator, a paid attorney that does this for a living and has done this for a living. Put your head on a pillow and keep your family safe in your home.
If I'm a listener and I'm interested in knowing what my options are and get more information, what steps do I need to take to find out more about this loan modification?
We've put together a video, and we also have any information that you need. There's several professionals at Velocity Financial, 480-VELOCITY. That's 480-835-6248. That's a good number to call. We also have the modificationhotline.com, modificationhotline.com, or 1-888-MOD-INFO. That's 1-888-MOD-INFO. Folks, thanks for listening, and stay tuned for Bill O'Reilly.